Today we are making Bisi Bele Bhaat. For that I need 3/4 cup brown rice and half a cup of yellow moong dal, 1 cup of chopped tomatoes, 1 cup of pumpkin which is cut into cubes, and half a cup of white radish and few curry leaves. We need mustard seeds, that is rai, cumin, that is jeera, white urad dal, hing as per your taste, haldi red turmeric powder and chili powder, tamarind soaked in water, and 1 chilli for seasoning. This is a Bisi Bele Bhaat masala made at home, and I always use the Himalayan pink salt. Let's cook the dal and the brown rice separately. I always prefer to cook them separately and not in a pressure cooker. When it's a little bit cooked, we add the pumpkin, tomatoes, and white radish. Now add haldi and a little bit of jeera. Check on the rice, it needs to be cooked a little longer. Let's check the dal, I think it's almost cooked. Mix it well, and now we can add the cooked rice to this dal and mix it well. Now add chili powder and the Bisi Bele Bhaat masala. The recipe for this I'm going to add in the description box. Now for seasoning, let's take a small pan, add a little ghee to it. Add mustard seeds and white urad dal. The white urad dal should turn a little pink. Then we add hing, curry leaves, haldi powder, and 1 chilli. Mix it, and now this seasoning we are going to add to the mixture of dal and rice. Mix it well. And now is the time to add salt, mix it once again, and now add the tamarind water. I always add it at the end because I do not want to cook it too long. So just mix it and let it cook for some time. Now cover it and we can serve in 10 minutes. The homemade masala is always the best, but you can always buy from MTR. That is also very tasty. Now garnish it with coriander leaves and scraped coconut. So it's ready to eat. It always tastes excellent with some poppadoms.